Hello, I'm Jerry Fort, the beer review guy. Got a stout. It's a chocolate stout. Sounds pretty good. It's from a brewery, which it looks like it's pronounced Boatswain, but I don't believe it's pronounced that way. I reviewed one of these from this brewery a long time ago, and it ended up being. This one ended up being no good. I think it was out of date or something, but it was nasty. But I was told that how I was pronouncing it was not correct. I don't remember how it was, and I didn't think to look again how it was pronounced. But it's not Boatswain. And I think it's like a naval term that the Navy uses, if I remember correctly. See, it's spelled it's spelled like a boat, Boatswain. So there you go. It says stout brewed with cocoa powder. It's a 5.4% alcohol by volume. It's like 55 degrees out, but it doesn't feel like it. It feels kind of colder, so I thought, you know what, this might be a good night to enjoy this one. Stouts are kind of put off that cold weather vibe, and I mean, I can drink them during the spring and summer too. I mean, we're in the spring, but it's still been cold weather. I just thought a dark beer sounded kind of good tonight. Actually, here it says on here, in parentheses, Bosun, B-O, comma, S-U-N, Bosun. Beers are unique brews made in small batches. Our chocolate stout has aromas and flavors of dark chocolate and roasted malt with a tangy hop bitterness. Bosun. Yeah, the W is silent, and the AI is just kind of lost within there. But what else does it say? Anything? Don't look like it. Brewed and canned by Rhinelander Brewing Company. I've heard of them. Let's see, 66 IBUs. Original gravity is 14.26. Appearance is black, it says. Okay. I'll let this set out for about probably close to an hour now. It was really cold. I wanted to make sure it was close to room temperature because stouts and porters, their tastes are more highlighted when they're a little bit warmer temperature than ice cold. And I've witnessed that myself on many occasions when I have reviewed darker beers. So let's try this. The date on the bottom is not clear. It's just a stamp number, 22. Then there's a gap, and it's 026. Then there's a huge gap, and then it's like 06 or something. And as I kind of wipe on there, it's coming off. So it's okay. So let's just see what it's like. Hopefully this will be a better experience than the last time I had one of these from this company. Let's see. Wow. That hurt. Okay. Well, so far so good. It looks good. It has a nice quality frothy mocha head on it. It is black. A little over a finger head. Okay. It does have a little bit of a cocoa, slight chocolate aroma. There's a light roastiness. It does have some maltiness. Yeah, it smells pretty good. Let's see what we got here in the taste. It has a pretty decent chocolate, baker's, cocoa kind of chocolate taste there. It's about a medium bitterness. You get a little roastiness with that malt bitterness. It's got has the full body on it. Tangy hop bitterness. Tangy. I myself am not getting tangy. When I think of tangy, I think of like IPAs. I'm not really getting a tanginess, just in my opinion. Others might think maybe differently about that. But I am getting a roasted malt bitterness. But it's a decent porter. I mean, stout. 5.4% ABV. Low to medium on the alcohol. It's low enough that I'm not getting any alcohol. So, but yeah, it's still good. So evidently the date, it's not, past date or anything. Yeah, that's a decent stout. Yeah, it's okay. Dark chocolate. Yeah, definitely a dark chocolate. But baker's cocoa, baker's chocolate kind of taste. Aromas and flavors of dark chocolate and roasted malt. Okay, there you go. Let me know if you've tried this and what you thought of it. I've had a pretty good amount of stouts and porters to be able to determine on in my own, opinion of what I think of them. So, I mean, everybody's opinion is going to be different. So there you go. I've had many really, really good stouts and really, really good porters. This was decent, but lacking in some areas, but not bad. Okay, I thank you for watching. I appreciate it, and we will see you on the next one. All right.